when you have a text that's unclear, whether it's a statute or whether it's something in the Constitution, what is this word liberty? It doesn't explain itself. Try the freedom of speech. Sure, that's easy to apply in cases where you're locking somebody up because he said, I'm for the other candidate. That violates the freedom of speech. But try it in the cases that really come up, that are hard, that are borderline cases. And those words don't always get you there. But you look to what the value was they're trying to embody, that can help. You have a statutory case. I put one in because I thought it was funny, that I found in a newspaper in France, which was a true story. So I say,
God, please.
All right, it's a teacher, a school teacher who's a biology teacher is taking 20 snails live in a basket on the train, and he's going to Paris to where his class is, and the conductor comes up and says, what's in the basket? And he shows him the snails, and he says, well, you have to pay fare for the snails. So he says, why do I have to pay a fare for the snails? This is right here in the fare book. It says you can't bring animals on the train unless they're in a basket, but if they are a basket, you pay fare. He says, these are snails. He says, well, snails are animals. Yeah, but it means cats and dogs. Oh, well, it says fare, it says animals. All right, so say, how do we decide? Does animals include snails? All right, that's the kind of case we get. You see cases that are not really clear. And to look to the answer to that, I say, well, let's see the person. Somebody wrote that fare book, and somebody had an idea. They had some purpose there, maybe to do with insurance. Let's see what the purpose is. And I think the need to look at those purposes comes up a lot. Because if this is so clear, why is it in the Supreme Court? We're only taking cases that by and large lower court judges have come to different conclusions. So it's very often unclear.